Fashion styling is to find out the various compositions and the communications that can create by having design elements together. Special project which is done where they are introduced to the idea of styling for editorial, they are introduced to the styling ideas for shoots, what are the things that goes into it. It starts with their personal styling first and then it goes on to the other idea.
So my name is Naomi Chaudhary and I'm from India. I'm from Mumbai and I'm the only one from Mumbai who's actually made it to London over here. This course it means a lot to me. I've been looking forward to this course. Like, London has inspired me a lot, and today since I started, that was the first one I was really nervous of how to go about it, but I think there was a lot of support from everyone. I finally managed to put together a look that I've been wanting to do and haven't been able to do for a really long time.
London is a design center, and the kind of fashion trends, the commerce that happens over here, it is one of the finest and the biggest across the world. So the students, when they study the Indian market and Indian designs, they get a chance to come here, compare, research and even create various things which can be very useful when they go back to India.
I'm Aman Gupta. I'm from Delhi, India. I'm doing fashion communication course. I've seen a very vast variety of fashion in London street. Talking about Westfield, talking about Oxford, I've really seen a lot. London, there's every kind of style over here. You can street wear, premium class and everything.
I basically look after every overseas project that the students take. So we do a couple of things back in Russia, Norway, London, Mauritius, and Vietnam as well. Basically, London is all about exploring. It's about understanding British design, and that's what we're here to achieve. We're doing something with editorial street style, and they've come up with some amazing sequence work, something sheer. They've come with a lot of bold prints, and we do see a lot of variation happening. And these students are from all over India, so they really come from the north, the south, the east, the west. So you can actually see how they've interpreted their own state style to the London street style.
The whole of industry in India looks at JD Institute for the trained manpower, what they need. And I think they're very happy to see that the students are achieving an amazing amount of excellence in each and everything that they do. We just had the India Fashion Week in London where two amazing talents, Rocky S, who's one of the foremost designers from India, and Ashok Mane, a new talent, coming in. They showcase their collection. I think every fashion week all across the world you'll have a JD displaying the collection.
I look after the operations at JD Institute of Fashion Technology, and we've been in London for a month now, and it's been really crazy, and the students are enjoying it and having an amazing time here. What basically we try to do is we got them out of the comfort zone and we got them here. So they have an amazing new city to explore and amazing new designs to take back to Delhi. They've learned a lot of things here in London, and these are one of the final days. And today was a deciding day of what they've seen, what they've explored in London. So they got all their knowledge and put that into the styling project that has been done today. We are planning to take JD Institute global. We started with London. We're exploring new places where we can take our students and they can learn a lot of things from there. Because they learn so many things from here that they can take back to Delhi and take back to India that most of the people haven't seen. So when they have their projects in Delhi and in India, they show something that none of the audience has seen before.
I'm Supriya Mittal, and I'm from Delhi. I'm pursuing my fashion designing. I have never been in London. This is my first time I'm here, and it's amazing. It's just beautiful. Everything is perfect. I'm more towards the illustration parts and the garment construction parts. I can illustrate anything, anywhere, anytime with any color medium.
The tutors has put in an amazing amount of effort, right from Tanja to Asberg to Alicia, to see that each and every detail is seen much more, clearly. The students were exposed to one whole array of the British trends, the interiors, the standards, the architectural, marvels over here. I think everything put together, they have really gone through an amazing amount of experience, where they did try to discover, things that they had only seen on Google and not real. And I'm sure when they go back to India, they're going to be an amazing amount of difference in the assignments and the projects that they do, because that will speak about their experience and their working for the last one whole month in London.
My name is Tanja Marnjaus. I am the styling tutor for JD Academy in London. The brief that we've given the JD students for today is to recreate a street style shoot, something that inspires them to complete a real kind of unique and individual London feel. One of the most amazing benefits for the JD students during their trip here to London is to get international experience and have the opportunity to work with a creative team that has worked globally. The important connection between the JD Academy and London-based styling teachers like myself is to really pass on the experience and also the skills required for both fashion design and styling students to be equipped to be able to work anywhere in the world and have skills that are adapted for an international scale job.
Okay, my name is Tanja Marnjaus and I'm from JD Dibrugarh, which is in Assam. I joined the JD Institute 1 year ago. It's been a great year. I learned many things practically as well, and I got this golden opportunity that I actually visited this London this year, which was my dream came true.
The idea of the JD Institute had always been a very progressive one, where we feel that every designer should have an amazing amount of exposure. They should be aware, they should know about the world trends, because eventually India is opening up, and with the new liberal policy that we have, India is going to go places. So it's time that they should know the different countries, they should have their exposures there, they should be there. And exercises like this, I'm sure a lot of students would want to get more details, do their research into the countries itself. Like the next project happens at Russia, there's another project happening at Kazakhstan, there's a project happening in New York. The idea is that this is time for them to move out of India and see and conquer as much territories as possible.